For the Childers family, downsizing to a smaller home was a chance to clear the clutter and refresh their setting. As for Stacy, she wanted charm, she wanted character, but she also wanted simplicity. My favorite thing about this kitchen is the backsplash. My client loved blue and white, so we found this really fun handmade tile that I think really just sets the stage for this kitchen. I tried to keep everything else very simple so it wasn't overwhelming for her. You know, a lot of people when they're designing their kitchen don't consider open shelving. I think a lot of people are intimidated by it. They wonder, is it gonna make my kitchen seem cluttered? What I love about open shelving is it really gives the kitchen this feel of just an open, airy space. And what I do is keep it very simple. The key is grouping things together, not doing too much color if you have a great backsplash. But if you happen to have a more simple backsplash or no backsplash at all, this is where you can really incorporate color in your dishes. So have fun with it. You know, I think it really creates a statement. It's unique, it's different. The idea here is open shelving. Updates your kitchen, and it's really not expensive at all. With the kids out of the house, the Childers were really looking forward to downsizing. Sometimes that means getting creative with your smaller spaces to make them work. This bedroom is a little smaller, I think, than your typical master bedroom, but the clients really wanted a king bed. And so what do you typically design with? Well, a lot of times I have an end table by the bed, but in this case, there wasn't a ton of space. So we had to get creative. These little wall shelves, I think, are a fun accent, but they're also practical. You can still put stuff on here, your books, your clock, but it doesn't take too much space up, and it really adds to the character and charm in this room. You know, another thing I really like about this space are these sconces. What's great about these lights is that they don't take up a lot of room. So even if you were to have, you know, your typical end tables. Sometimes a lamp can be bulky. Something like this just adds a little more interest. I love the reflection it makes off the wall, but it's very clean and simple and incorporated that touch of brass that I know my client really wanted. Last but not least is the bathroom. It's really small, but it's packed with a ton of character. There are some elements about it that are original that I really wanted to keep, mixed with some newer elements that still have that timeless look. On the ceiling, when we removed the drywall, it exposed the natural shiplap, but I didn't want the space to feel too old and dated, so I really updated it with some simple, timeless, classic fixtures. What I also love are the built-ins. The built-ins were original. I didn't want to tear those out. We just updated them with new hardware, but it's just a great space for storage, and again, it just adds to the story of this space.